Well, we'll do in this video how to fix this problem. Hello YouTube friends and fans. Today I'm going to fix the problem that I developed in the garage. If you haven't seen the past video, we installed a bike rack and I made these straps out of an old strap off of like a briefcase or a tote bag carrier, and the little metal piece broke and of course it fell to the ground, and when it fell to the ground it dented the cars. So I went out and for $5 bought a better mousetrap here. So y'all should recognize this. It's ratchet strap. Kids are outside playing in the snow today. I'll upload a video of their shenanigans here in a little bit too. So this is obviously a heavier hook. It's not going to fail. Like this was 1/8 inch metal, and obviously it wasn't quality metal, probably magnesium. And so what I got to do is, this is not long enough, so we got to cut this bad boy off. Really, the only reason I bought it was for the hooks. So that's junk. We're going to do a little quick measurement here. Double that back up. This one I have to make a little longer because it needs to connect to each other and overlap. That should be good. For those of you that may have never done this, turn the stove on low and you heat the very tip of it up and it'll seal off. Because it's nylon, it will melt and seal off itself on the ends, making this very nice. Just gotta wave it for the flame. Don't leave it in there. You're just singeing the fringes. This guy had a little more fringe than I would like. Well, now that we've got all this sealed. Now we just gotta add the hooks back in. Pretty simple. Just eyeball it. Suppose I'll bring you in here a little closer so you can watch. And that's one done. Save you the boring sewing details, and I'll show you when we hang this up. Well, I brought you out to the garage. Got my two hooks here. Let's see if we can make this happen. I'll give you an up close and personal of this hook. Cord come off of the cable, the pulley. And it's that simple. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you enjoy what you watch. I try to bring you more interesting content. And that's the hook that broke. So finish this up in the house, bring out the other two and hang them. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend.